Hi, I'm Allie, a staff attorney with the University of San Diego Veterans Legal Clinic.
Hi, I'm Monet, a legal intern with the Veterans Legal Clinic, and we are here today to talk to you about how to receive VA disability compensation for conditions related to military sexual trauma.
Military sexual trauma, or MST, is the term used by the VA to include sexual assault or sexual harassment occurring during military service. MST can occur on or off base when a service member is on or off duty. Perpetrators can be men or women, military personnel or civilians, superiors or subordinates in the chain of command, strangers, friends, or intimate partners.
For a more detailed explanation, what counts as MST and who may have experienced MST, please see our other video tutorial titled MST and Access to Care.
While PTSD may be diagnosed after a service member experiences MST, diagnoses of anxiety, depression, or other mental conditions are also common. When assigning a disability rating for a service-connected mental disorder, the VA uses the general rating formula for mental disorders. This rating scale ranges from 0% to 100% based on the severity of the condition. A 0% disability rating indicates that a mental condition has been formally diagnosed, but the symptoms are not severe enough to either interfere with occupational or social functioning or to require continuous medication. On the other hand, a 100% disability rating indicates total occupational and social impairment due to the condition. Most often, veterans receive ratings that fall somewhere between those two extremes.
Since mental health conditions share similar symptomology, the VA will consider the combined effects of the conditions to determine the overall level of occupational and social impairment. For example, it is very common for veterans to suffer from both PTSD and anxiety. Although the VA has different diagnostic codes for these two conditions, all mental disorders are rated under the same criteria just mentioned. Therefore, a veteran can receive only one total rating for the symptom of both of these conditions.
A veteran will need certain evidence and VA forms in order to receive VA disability compensation for their service-connected MST-related mental condition. First, a veteran will need a diagnosis of a mental condition such as PTS, anxiety, depression, etc. Second, a veteran will need a nexus letter from a doctor. The phrase the VA is looking for in a nexus letter is that a mental condition is more likely than not connected to the veteran's time in service. Third, a veteran will need to provide evidence in support of his or her claim. The VA has an obligation to assist a veteran to gather the evidence needed, including medical and military records. In 2002, the VA relaxed required evidence standards for MST-related PTSD disability benefits claims. Because military service records may not contain evidence of MST, non-military sources can be used to support a claim. Fourth and fifth, the veteran should file with his or her other evidence and letters an application for disability compensation form and a statement in support of a claim form. These forms can be found on the VA's website.
If a veteran filed a claim for MST-related PTSD before December 2011 and was denied, the veteran is encouraged to refile and request a reevaluation. There are a number of veterans service organizations or VA-accredited attorneys who may help you refile.
We hope that you have found this overview of MST and VA disability compensation helpful. Thank you for watching.
Please look to our catalog of videos for other helpful tutorials from the University of San Diego Veterans Legal Clinic. See you next time.